An engine is the heart of a vehicle, pumping life into every other part, making the vehicle move, turn, and stop. Just like a human heart, with its arteries and veins, an engine has its own complex network of parts. Each part, big or small, plays a vital role. One such critical part is the spider injector, especially in the 90s series Chevy 355.7-liter engine. The spider injector ensures that the fuel is correctly distributed to the cylinders. A malfunctioning spider injector can cause numerous problems, from poor fuel efficiency to engine misfires. Changing the spider injector, therefore, is an essential maintenance task that can keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Now, changing the spider injector is a task that requires precision, but is certainly not beyond the reach of a determined DIY mechanic. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you do just that. First things first, disconnect the battery. This is a safety measure that should never be skipped when working on a vehicle's engine. Next, remove the upper intake manifold. This is the large, usually black, plastic part on top of the engine. Removing it will expose the injector assembly. Once the injector assembly is visible, it's time to disconnect the fuel pressure regulator. This small device plays a crucial role in maintaining the fuel pressure in your engine, and it's usually attached to the fuel rail. Following this, remove the fuel lines. Be careful here as there might still be some fuel in them. Now you can see the spider injector. It's called so because it looks like a spider, with its legs branching out to the cylinders. Remove the injector bracket and then the spider injector itself. Once the old injector is out, it's time to install the new one. Make sure to lubricate the O-rings on the new injector with clean engine oil before installing it. Then reattach the injector bracket. Now reconnect the fuel lines and the fuel pressure regulator. Finally, reinstall the upper intake manifold and reconnect the battery. And there you have it. You've just changed the spider injector on your engine. In summary, the steps involved in changing a spider injector are disconnecting the battery, removing the upper intake manifold, disconnecting the fuel pressure regulator, removing the fuel lines, removing the injector bracket and the spider injector, installing the new injector, reconnecting the fuel lines and the fuel pressure regulator, reinstalling the upper intake manifold, and finally, reconnecting the battery. Keep in mind, this process might differ slightly depending on the specific model of your vehicle. Always refer to your vehicle's service manual for the most accurate information. Remember, the engine is the heart of your vehicle. Taking care of it will ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently, saving you time, money, and potential headaches down the line. So roll up those sleeves and get your hands dirty, because your engine is worth it.